beautiful people, how are you doing? Today we're going to make ice V60. Before we start making our V60, you can know the total yield for our V60. We use 20 grams for coffee beans. We can use 1 to 15 as ratio. Then how to know the total yield for our V60? Can take 20 grams multiple 15. Our total yield becomes 300. After we see our total yield, we divided it by 2. 300 divided by 2 becomes 100. 150. 150 for ice, another 150 for water we put it. Now we start rinsing our paper filter. After rinsing, we add ice, 150. Pouring our V60. The first pour over, we can put 15 ml. Then waiting 13 seconds. ml. Now our V60, and you can waiting 1 minute and a half. Our V60 will be ready. Now it's up to the customer.